Hello everyone, my name is Dayana and today I will discuss a critical incident that I experienced regarding lack of student motivation. This occurred during a group activity in class where I noticed that many students were disengaged and uninterested despite my efforts to create an interactive learning environment. Happened that in this class, students were divided into groups to complete a set of questions of the topic we were studying. However, instead of actively participating, several students were distracted or passive, some waiting for the others to do the work, while others seemed completely uninterested, not responding to questions or engaging in discussions. Even after attempting to redirect their attention, the lack of motivation persisted throughout the activity. After reflecting, I identified several potential reasons for this incident. Maybe the topic might not have been interesting or relevant to the students. The group tasks might have felt repetitive for them, or students could be having dealing with fatigue, personal issues, or distractions outside the classes. During my lesson, I tried to motivate the students by emphasizing the importance of the topic and offering suggestions how to approach the task differently. I also tried to encourage collaboration within the groups by assigning roles, but this effort had little effect on their engagement. In my reflection, in this incident made me consider my teaching approach. I realized that I need to connecting lessons to students, to introduce more activities, variety to keep students engaged and prevent monotony, understand individual motivations better, so I can tailor lessons that appeal to different students' learning styles and preferences. So, to address this issue, I plan to incorporate diverse activities such as games, debates, or creative projects to simulate engagement, seek students' feedback regularly to understand what types of tasks they find motivating, set clear goals in each lesson so students understand how the content connects to the future aspirations or personal interests. And in conclusion, this critical incident has helped me reflect on how to better engage students and improve motivation by adjusting my teaching strategies and focusing on more relevant, varied, and engaging content. I hope to prevent similar issues in the future in my professional career. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.